That was a hard-fought battle, but I am still the War Wrestling Champion. I'm a fighting champion, that's what I said tonight. Took out the two-time War Wrestling Champion, Caden Assad, the former champ, Jeremy Madrox, and my mentor, Big Guns Jeff Cannon. And in my moment of glory, in my moment of celebration, Jock Sampson jumped me and tried to cripple me. You heard me last week in Buffalo, New York. He tried to finish the job tonight in Lima. Well, Big Tom had a surprise for him because Rumble in Rockford, April 13th. He had some good news for me. Jock Sampson versus Juice Jennings for the War Wrestling Championship. And he said, but wait, there's more. It's a lumberjack match. And I said, a lumberjack match? That's fantastic. Jock might have a little leg up on me. He's got a beard, but I got some flannel shirts. My grandpa's got an axe. I'm bringing it to Rockford. Lumberjack match, let's do this. And then he said, wait, there's more. I thought I was on a game show. I said, it's a brand new car, right, Tom? He says, no. If you can beat Jock Sampson, it'll be his last shot at the War Wrestling Championship as long as you're champion. I said, anything else? He said, no, that's it. So, Rockford, Ohio. Jock, bring it. We'll chop down some trees. X-Men, I watch it all the time. I got season 3. On my queue. Let's do this. I can't breathe. I'm beat up. I'm going to the after party. I'll see you at Rockford.